welcome to Xindun Power Channel. Now I recommend for you the hybrid inverter of the HFP series. This series has the capacity from 3.3 kilowatt to 12.3 kilowatt. And what the function we export? We have on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid 3 working modes. Second, we have the function of long battery working mode. What is the long battery working mode? It can work only the solar panel and without this battery, and only can work with the loading. More, we also have the function of the one-click recover function. One mean of the one-click recover function, it is when we setting this progress, right? But when we forget how to set it, we can setting the A30 for recover the progress for resetting the data again. And last, maybe you think, okay, we want to OEM the inverter. Of course, we are 18 years inverter specialist. So welcome to OEM this new series. Okay, and more, we can get the loading. Yes, please open the loading. Okay, thank you, bye.